Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from your phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect app on our phone. In the app we need to select our Vivosmart 3 device. You should have the icon right here at the top. Tap on it to open the device page for your Vivosmart 3. Then tap on the More Options icon right here to open the menu. Select Remove Device, then tap on Remove, and it should say that Vivosmart 3 successfully removed. We can also check the Bluetooth settings on our device to see if the device was removed. And as you can see, we still have the Vivosmart 3 right here. We can tap on the settings, tap on Forget, then tap on Settings again right here, tap Forget. And once the device is gone from this list, our devices are unpaired. So our band is unpaired from our watch at this point. And that's how you unpair this band from your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.